Hello YouTubers, Goliath man. I'm just here in the National Park, Killarney. I was in Killarney and I stopped to show you the TORK waterfall in its glory. Has been raining a lot. We've had severe rain in the last week. Floodings, people have been evacuated from houses, so I just wanted to demonstrate, and it has calmed down, but I wanted to demonstrate the TORK waterfall for you. And I'm just here at the parking lot, and trying to make, you have to go around here, trying to make this kind of brief. Excuse me. It's my phone, by the way. I don't have my camera with me, so it's my phone camera, so the quality mightn't be the greatest, but that's TORK waterfall 200 meters up that way, which is over there. We have here like a little hut, and I don't know what they do here exactly. I think it's a shop or something as well. But this gives you a few things, details of the place where we are at. There's a lovely walk around, alright. So here we have the gushing water. That's the way we're going to go up, just to view the waterfall. Stunning sight actually when it's thundering down like that. And it goes down that way. Right, let me just go around the hut. I think you can actually go down here by the bridge. It's not easy holding the camera or the phone still while walking. I'll give you a quick glance with it down here. I do not want to fall in, no. I'll make a funny video. Although there would be no video because my phone would be wrecked. We'll go over towards the bridge. Fine trees here. I think it's a beech tree, but anyway, rhododendrons, ilex, and here we have the bridge. I'll just stand still if I can. You can actually I should have brought my good camera. You can go under the bridge here. We'll just quickly go under. Hello! You come back out in the parking lot. And there you can see the water thundering out. Oh, my arms are getting tired. And it goes out into the lakes, which are flooded right now. So I'm going to pause. I'm going to walk back up. And that way, where I just go this way, so. And I'm gonna go up over, record again. I'm now back up here again, and I'm gonna walk up here. Sorry, I just couldn't say much. There's someone passing there. Here you have water. Okay, I can't make this video too long now. I wish I could. You get some fantastic woodland view. It's a national park, actually, protected. And my arms are getting fierce tired with holding the camera. Trees down. Good God. Nice firewood there. The only thing is I'm not allowed to claim it. Talk to you in a few minutes, guys. It's even starting to rain. Came up from there. It's starting to rain again. It has been raining a lot lately. So there you can see the turn to water. I'll just pan around. Up there is the waterfall, and I'm heading up that way. I'll give you a small. I'm walking along here now. Glance at the turn to water. TORK waterfall is just up there, and I'm gonna walk along that path there and up to the waterfall. I'll record again. My phone's getting wet and it's starting to give me trouble, but that's where we came from. And that's the waterfall. Small difference from the summer. There's actually a big bush lying, or a tree that came down on the path going up here. That's the path which leads up there. Well, you're gonna have to kind of walk around it. Okay, I'll leave the camera rolling for a second. It was just fantastic to see this. Sorry for wobbling. And there you have it, guys. I'm gonna get a bit closer. I'm walking up the steps here. I hope that shows now very well on camera. Full glory. Water trickling down from the side of the mountain. Right, sorry, I got chatting with someone there. But yeah, as we were saying, now what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go up the steps here. There's down here, right? There's some steps here. And I think someone might remember this green. And we have now, it's the 8th of the 12th, which is the 12th month. 8th date, and just the green around the place, it's still green. The green hasn't withered too much. because of the temperature. The temperature is actually fairly warm. We have a little trickle of water just down here on the side as well. Of course, it has been raining pretty intensive in the last, say, 3 to 4 days. We have Tuesday now, and it was Saturday we had that severe rain. But you actually can see fantastic here. Well, I hope my SIM card is holding the information for me. But I'm just going to take a little walk up here to show you some of the growth that's still there and still growing. That's that tree that came down, and they'll clean that up there. And I'm gonna go up this way. Okay, I might leave the camera on for a minute, but I don't know how much. I had to delete some clips, so to make a bit of room. I don't know how much space I have. Okay, I'll pause and see you at the top. My phone is starting to act up on me. But anyway, that's where I came up, and I wanted to show you, if I can actually get it, I must come here with my camera. Let me, that's what the sky is like. Now, they're the lakes of Killarney. Now I have to hold the phone at an angle like that because of the light reflecting on it. So notice if I did that, see, it kind of blends everything else out. But we're up here, kind of high up. I don't know how many feet up we are. We're a few hundred. Well, I would say 200 feet. No, 300 feet. Something like that. 200 feet. Well, maybe 150, 200, something in that line. Can't exactly say. But these are. But that's not. That's the lakes of Killarney. They're the Great Lakes of Killarney. And I don't know if I can get it on camera. It looks absolutely beautiful. Just a pity I don't have my good camera with me. I was in Killarney having to do something with the car, to get the car for a test. So, and I just took the opportunity to come out here and to do a video for you guys to see the difference in the growth, the water, the character here at this time of the year. But those steps go on up further, and they go way in the walkways. You could say an hour's walk, but I will come back here with my own camera, with the good camera, well, the better camera, and I might do another take of this. Maybe especially if it rains a lot, it'd be fantastic to see the waterfall again. Just in comparison, from the summer to now. So I'm going to head back down. I'm not walking all that distance out now. I don't have enough SIM card or memory space on my phone to do all that. So anyway, I'm going to head back down. I've got to head home. I've got work to do. So I might talk to you again. There's people coming up. My phone just gave me a warning saying low space. I'm heading down, and I'll talk to you again the next video. See you lads, or people of YouTubers. Hope you enjoyed the video and the scenery. I'll try to do this again. Talk to you.